God stands for Elohim. That's the one made of many. So collectively, we're the gods creating. God can only give birth to gods. When you're looking at your image in the mirror, for example, it's an image of you, but it's not the actual outpicturing of you. The outpicturing is what the mirror is reflecting. We're a reflection of God. The image is that picture that we're imagining in our mind. If you're imaging success, you will reproduce success in your life. You have the image, the snapshot, the picture in your mind. The likeness is the manifestation of that image. Your physical outpicturing is the last portion of your manifestation.